What should we do with our bountiful harvest of tomatoes? How about making tomato jam, something learned from the South Africans? Please join me at my small kitchen. Summer of 2025. Presenting our tomato jam made from our very own harvest. Harvest of summer 2025. You might be wondering, how about the taste? Let's check. Too precious. I won't waste this. Better than strawberry, to be honest. Hello, warm welcome. Welcome to our tomato series. Tomato series. The last time we added generous quantity of tomato into a frittata, which went very well. This time we'll be making strawberry jam. Well, something new. You haven't tasted it before, I'm afraid, but it's a South African tradition. We'll make confiture or jam out of ripe tomatoes. This recipe is very simple. All the ingredients are here. It's all this. In fact, you can drop this, but we'll be using just a small, just approximately 4 centimeters of just ginger. Okay. And into the pan. What else? We need, or the recipe calls for 1 kilo of tomatoes. And in our next series, we'll be canning tomato. Please come back for that. Canning so that we can preserve them. We can keep them without refrigeration. Canning. Is this 1 kilo now? What do you think? Okay, that's 1 kilo or more. This is roughly 1 kilo. And the recipe calls for 3/4 of a kilo of sugar. 3/4 kilo sugar. Romulo, that's so sweet, you might say, but we need sugar as not just as a sweetener, but also as preservative. Sugar is a good preservative. Conserve middle, as they might say in South Africa. Conserve middle or preservative. So we'll put, this is 1 kilo. Let's leave 1/4 of this. And also 3 tablespoons of this juice. I see no seeds, so there's no risk of adding the seeds. 3 tablespoons. Now, the lemon juice also introduces more acidity, which helps in the preservation. Let's remove 1 seed. Yeah. As an option, we can also add some zest. Do we want that? Let me check. Okay, let's add it. I don't have the right instrument. I don't have the right utensil, so I think we can use this. It's in the garden. The manual rasper. Is it rasper? What's it called? Grater. It's in the garden. That's why we're using this. It works. Not very well, but it works a bit. Orange zest. Oh, lemon zest. And onto the fire. this is the easy version. Some would like this softer, finer, silkier. If you want that, you can filter it later after cooking. But I want it to have more structure, more texture, because to me, texture gives character. This just boils until the tomato disintegrates, and for roughly 30 minutes under high fire. Why can't we remove the peel and the seeds before boiling? It's because I've learned that the peel and the seeds also contain pectin, which is an agent in helping the jam set. So when you want to silker jam, filter it before jamming. As I indicated earlier, we don't have to slice this or cut this into fine pieces or to macerate it, because anyway the heat will do its job. Look how they have broken. Later this will thicken. Let's give it roughly 30 minutes at high flame to reduce the volume, to thicken the syrup, and then lower the flame for 30 more minutes. That wasn't good. And then lower the flame and simmer it for 30 more minutes. That's a better way to say it. See you later. Now it's at low flame for 30 more minutes. We reach a point where we need to focus our full attention here. The consistency has become thick and it might burn despite the low flame. We'll check if it's thick enough to set now. Let's make a test. I have here a frozen or very cold plate, and let's drop some and check if the cold plate will set it. If it flows. Does it run? I think this is almost acceptable. Yeah, it doesn't run. Yeah. It's still in syrup form. Let it jam. I think 5 more minutes. 5 minutes has passed. Let's check if this has the right consistency. Let's check if this has the ideal consistency. Again. Cold plate here. Let's check if it runs. This is acceptable on toast or on sandwich, right? On bread. It doesn't run. It doesn't run. Look. Delicious. Oh, it really. This is ready. And put it in jars. These jars have been sterilized. And also want to say that the ginger has done its job, so we can discard it. Where's the other? That's an option. Where's the other piece? I can't find it. If you want this softer or silkier, you can strain this passata, but I like to retain it this way. I like the texture, I like the seeds, I like the peel. This is a difficult angle. Let's just watch that later. This is a difficult angle, as I've said. I have to do this other way around because the camera has to catch it. This has been easier. This should have been easier, like this. But the camera has to catch it. Ta-da! Summer of 2025. Presenting our tomato jam made from our very own harvest of summer 2025. A bountiful year. Hot but bountiful year. What's the taste? You might be wondering, how about the taste? Let's check. Too precious. I won't waste this. Better than strawberry, to be honest. Yeah. Look, here. Better than strawberry. What a surprise.